Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Testing 1, 2, 3. We finally got out of Baltimore, as you can see. And we're in Miami now. Got our, what was that, an hour and a half to get our crap, get all changed out. Got a family restaurant. Changed our clothes, got all fresh. I don't even have any clue what time it is. It could be 9 or it could be 1. Do you have any idea what time it is within the half hour? There you go. Pardon? Oh, is it? I'm gonna go down here where there's a lot of space. Right over here. We made it. Oh my gosh.
Don't take any video of my face.
Literally. Could have driven from northern Michigan right to here in 25 miles. Oh my gosh, we finally made it. The last day is just a blur.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like we bought them.
Yeah, it's that day just disappeared. Have your boarding.
One of these.
It's a really beautiful, beautiful looking terminal. Don't go out that door right there.
That one.
Right.
Doors to nowhere.
How new is this building? Yeah, it's new, isn't it? It's not. Have we been through this terminal before?
I've been twice, but I don't remember specifically in New York. Friday night, out here. Years ago, there was just girls. That was so sad.
Okay. Working Afro, you know?
Yeah. You want me to take that back?
Sure.
Or you've been do your phone?
Around there to the fun. There's a little wild fun. Getting close to the bing bong. I know. Go ahead. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. Oh, that's it. Nice centerpiece they have there. It's so strange coming out to a small, intimate area. It's like a mini version of that new cube they have on Icon. Try what? Fancy. Oh, that's right. I forgot about these. Which floor are we on? One.
We're gonna go to.
It didn't say anything about an elevator. I pressed one, and it just, you see one, and nothing happens. I don't think this is the right floor. These new fancy elevators are great. See, it doesn't work.
Maybe he doesn't want us to go there. We want to just drop our bags off.
Yeah, we pressed one on that pad and this one, and it doesn't do anything. Okay.
Okay.
How funny is that? They're all excited about the new elevator system, and then it messes up.
And to not go there, even though there are certain people there. And drop their bags off.
So if you push the button for your floor and it doesn't work, go over here to elevator number 3. 1, 3, 6, 9. Well, we got a 3 and a 6 in there and a 9.
You remember that?
3, 6, 9.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
3 is a magic
3,
number
6.
song.
Well, those are my numbers. 3, 6, and 9. We're going to have a lucky week in the casino. Our room is the 3s. 3, 6.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
8675309. 8675309.
30.
3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. I like these hallways. We've been on a ship with this wooden stuff before, right?
Maybe Magic.
Magic might have had it, yeah. Easy to remember. There you go. When you're picking your room, also think about what your room number is going to be. I don't care if it's a double balcony. I want that darn number. So that explains. We're getting close. Oh my God. This is like so much our freaking luck.
Somebody get on us in. We want to drop our bags. Can you open the door? The key isn't there yet.
1369?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you got them. Sorry to interrupt you.
369. Chantal and Dirk?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. I got platinum finally. Oh, and why was that such a big deal?
It's not. This is how it's
Oh, a white card. You're platinum. And what am I, silver? What's this
No, we're
one?
both platinum.
But why you get a white card?
Because it's my 25th Carnival cruise.
Oh, really? So you get a special card only on your 25th?
50th, 75th.
Neat.
100th, yeah.
That is so cool. All right. Now, what'd you tell me about this room?
2 bathrooms.
It's a 2 bathroom, so it's like a grand suite, regular suite, with an exterior view. Double bathroom. That means clean air for you to breathe. What is this? Is that a whole fucking frickin'? Is that a whole frickin' cake? It's a whole cake.
Happy birthday.
Oh man, that is so sweet. Holy cow. Oh, that looks good. Sure, that's a good idea. What's that? Oh, it's a big piece of chocolate on there. They gave us plates, and I'm going to touch it. Don't tell. Oh, I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to be good. They have a note with it. That is so nice. Thank you, guys. And we have the ocean view. Typical. Oh, it's got the little alcove. I can sit up here.
Yeah. We can put our towel in. No, you can put all your junk in there.
So did you order the Mountain Dew? Is that how that works? I forget.
I ordered a cake and a Mountain Dew.
Now, the question about the tub is going to be like when we had that mini suite with the tub. How long will it take it to fill up? You remember that? It was just a pain in the butt to fill up?
Yeah.
Well, that's neat.
Okay, but so this is going to be my getting ready bathroom.
Okay.
So the only time you need to be in here
Is
you're
to
gonna
take you to bath.
Right.
Might as well go to the sauna, though. There's
Took the
whirlpool.
cake out of the box.
I did because I wanted to get a picture of it. Oh, by the way,
In my pocket.
the cake's because I turned 60 years old the other day. And we got our anniversary coming up on the 7th. Guys, burgers,
Yes.
the traditional.
All right.
Here we come, guys.
Your master stations are located on deck 3, 4,
This is
and
room
5.
1515.
Mind your staterooms are your new home away from home, and they will be available after.
We found it. We get that from you.
I'm still behind you.
You don't be playing piano for real?
Yeah, I see.
There you go. The first guy's burger to welcome in the new cruise on the Carnival Horizon. No. One thing about this is like McDonald's. It's always the same. You never get something that's off. Really, really good. So we're gonna feed our hangry and then go back to the room and collapse.
Yeah.
Man, what a journey.
Napping out.
Now, on the other hand, we did not miss the hassle of taking the Uber to the hotel, going to the hotel, unpacking, getting up early. Right?
I'm bummed though because I was bummed because I was already thinking about the hotel, like
Oh, like looking forward to it?
in bed, like a comfortable bed. You know what I mean?
Right.
Oh yeah.
You get your special drink? Got that graphic.